Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I will discuss with you types of sentences. Okay, there are so many types of sentences, but in this lecture we will discuss few one. Okay. Let me read the sport box. The 4 types of sentences are declarative, imperative, interrogative, and exclamatory. Okay, let me define all. The declarative sentences makes a statement. Okay, the imperative sentences gives a direction or a command. The interrogative sentences ask a question or interrogate something. The exclamatory sentences are the statements that shows strong emotion or excitement. Okay, and at the end of the interrogative sentence we put the question mark. At the end of exclamatory sentence we put the sign of exclamation. Okay, so now I will give you some examples. Look at this exercise. In this exercise what we have to do, write 3 sentences of each of the following type of sentences. So the first one is declarative sentences. You know, declarative sentences makes the statement. Okay, for example, Ali is a student. He lives in a big city. I love Pakistan. Okay, these are the examples of declarative sentences. Okay, so number 2, interrogative sentences. In interrogative sentences we ask questions, and keep in mind helping verb will come in the beginning of the sentence, or in the start of the sentence we put the helping verb. Okay, in interrogative sentences, and at the end of the sentence we will put the question mark at the end of the interrogative sentences. Okay, so there are some examples. Is Ali a student? Question mark. Okay, does he live in a big city? Question mark. Do I love Pakistan? Yes, I do. And at the end of the sentence you can see the question mark. Okay, the next one is imperative sentences. In imperative sentences we give direction or command. Okay, in imperative sentences we give direction or command. Okay, for example, go to your room. It's an order. Okay, order, request, or direction, instruction. In imperative sentences we do that. Okay, so go to your room, it's an order. Okay, this is imperative sentence. Number 2, please lend me your book. Please, you can see please or kindly, it shows the request. So this is the request. Please lend me your book. It's a request and it's imperative sentence. Okay, next one is please shut the door. Please shut the door. If please is there, so it's a request and it's imperative sentence. And you know, in imperative sentences we give direction, command, request, order, etc. Okay, I hope this is clear now. And last but not the least, exclamatory sentences. In exclamatory sentences, the statement that shows strong emotion or excitement. Okay, strong emotion or excitement that shows the in exclamatory sentences. Okay, for example, and keep in mind at the end of the sentence or in sentence we put the sign of exclamation. Okay, you can see here. Okay, examples are hurrah, we won the match. It's the exclamatory sentence. Number 2, mummy the biryani. Okay, this is another exclamatory sentence. And the last one is wow, he got first position. This is also an exclamatory sentence. I hope now these types of sentences, declarative, interrogative, imperative and exclamatory sentences are clear to you. And the declarative sentences make the statement, the imperative sentences gives direction or command, and interrogative sentence we ask the question, in exclamatory sentence there is strong emotion or excitement, and at the end of the sentence we put the, or in the sentence we put the sign of exclamation. Okay, so I hope students, now this lecture is cleared and the sentences are cleared to you, and you will never confuse in them. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and in my next videos I will explain it in details. Okay, thank you.